Across industries, organizations have adopted hybrid cloud for its advantages in choice, agility, and adaptability. But effectively managing a range of applications and services and their underlying resources across your hybrid cloud environment can be complex and time-consuming. What if you could simplify operations, enhance security, accelerate application development and deployment, and efficiently manage and track all your resources even as your environments scale and grow, all while reducing your overall costs? The Red Hat Hybrid Cloud Console is a powerful web-based management interface for managing and orchestrating workloads, resources, and applications across different cloud environments. To access the Red Hat Hybrid Cloud Console, all you need is a Red Hat account and an active subscription to a supported platform. It's a cloud-based service, so you don't have to set up or deploy anything. Just start using it to get immediate visibility across your hybrid cloud environment. An intuitive, easy-to-use interface not only provides a centralized view for managing and automating deployments, applications, and infrastructure, it also helps you get things done faster with convenient features like favorites and recently viewed. Want to connect the console to your accounts from your external cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud Platform, Microsoft Azure, and Oracle Cloud? All it takes is the click of a button to add an integration and start tracking usage and costs directly from the Hybrid Cloud Console. Simplify collaboration with the ability to integrate with Google Chat, Microsoft Teams, and Slack. You can also connect to external services like Ansible, ServiceNow, and Splunk for additional reporting and automation capabilities. Creating a webhook integration is simple and straightforward. In addition, an array of learning resources is at your fingertips to help you get started. Built-in identity and access management features allow you to set up and view user permissions, apply role-based access control, enable or remove two-factor authentication, and more. And if you need help, Red Hat's comprehensive learning resources, including documentation and quick start guides, are always available. Increase agility by simplifying deployment and management of your applications and services so you can keep up with the demands of modern business development with Red Hat's Hybrid Cloud Console. To learn more, contact us today.